Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today we are diving into one of the most important topics for anyone looking to grow their online presence, SEO. What is it and why does it matter so much? Stick around because by the end of this video you will have a clear understanding of SEO and how it can transform your website. Let's get started. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. In simple terms, when someone searches for something online, SEO helps your website appear higher in the search results. And why is that important? Well, studies show that most people don't go past the first page of search results. Think about it. If your website is on of the first page, especially in the top 3 position, you are far more likely to get clicks and traffic. That's the power of SEO. Now, let's break SEO down into 3 main parts: one-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. One-page SEO. This involves optimizing the content on your website. Things like using the right keywords, creating high quality content, and optimizing your titles, headings, and meta description. Off-page SEO. This is all about building trust and authority for your website. The main focus here is backlink, links from other websites pointing yours. Think of them as votes of confidence for your site. Technical SEO. This deals with the backend of your website. It includes things like site speed, mobile friendliness, and making sure search engine can crawl and index your site properly. Imagine you have a bakery in New York. If someone searches for best bakery in New York, you want your website to show up first, right? To do that, you would focus on including keywords like best bakery in New York in your content, getting positive reviews, and ensure your site loads quickly. The goal of SEO is to match your website with what people are searching for. When done right, it is like a magnet pulling the right audience to your website. Before we wrap up, here is why SEO matters for you. First, it's cost effective. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic from SEO is free. Second, it builds credibility. When your site ranks high, people trust it more. And finally, it's a long term. A well-optimized sites can bring you traffic for years. So that's the basic of SEO. It's all about marketing your website's visibility and valuable to your audience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you get some value through this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.